I'm teaching at Wat Pailom School in the province of Nakhon Pathom. You can call me Teacher Aire. I'm from the Philippines. Welcome to our English class. Are you ready? Hello kids! Do you miss Teacher Aire? Yes? Yeah, I miss you too. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What are the things that you can do? Oh, you can jump, 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 yeah? Me? I can play guitar, see? Wow, that's great! How about you? What can you do? Okay, so this time we're going to learn some words, the things that you can do. Are you ready? Repeat after me. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Jump, jump. I can jump. I can jump. I can jump. Swim, swim. I can swim. I can swim. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Read. Read. I can read. I can read. Play guitar. Play guitar. I can play guitar. I can play guitar. Sing a song. Sing a song. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. Did you get the words already? This time, we're going to learn an action song. I hope you can follow.
How about you? How about you? How about you? What can you do? Jump, I can jump. Jump, I can jump. Jump, 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 I can jump. Swim, I can swim. Swim, I can swim. Swim, 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 I can swim. Ride a bike, I can ride a bike. Ride a bike, I can ride a bike. Ride, 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 bike. How about you? How about you? How about you? What can you do? Read, I can read. Read, I can read. Read, 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 I can read. Alright, play guitar, I can play guitar. Play guitar, I can play guitar. Play, 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 play guitar. Sing a song, I can sing a song. Hey, sing a song, I can sing a song. Hey, sing, 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 sing a song. Hey, how about you? How about you? How about you? What can you do?
Okay, let's sum up the words. What can you do? What can you do? I can jump! I can jump! What can you do? What can you do? I can swim! I can swim! What can you do? What can you do? I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. What can you do? What can you do? I can read. I can read. What can you do? What can you do? I can play guitar. I can play guitar. What can you do? What can you do? I can sing a song. I can sing a song. Okay, kids, thank you for your attention. Until next time, goodbye. Mwah.